Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to generate a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. This process is both simple and efficient, requiring only about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started immediately. First, sign into your Microsoft account. This step is essential because it provides access to the Office 365 suite and your OneDrive storage where files are kept. After logging in, find the app launcher, often called the waffle icon, situated in the top left corner of your screen. Click this icon to see the full list of your Office 365 applications. From this menu, select OneDrive to go to your personal storage homepage. Here, you will see all your saved data. Navigate to the My Files tab and then enter the Documents folder. This is where you should locate the specific file you intend to share via QR code. Click on the file once to highlight it. With the file selected, click the Share button. A new window will appear with several distribution options. You must now modify the access permissions. Choose the setting that says anyone with the link can edit to ensure that anyone scanning the code can view the file. Once you have adjusted the permissions, click Apply to confirm the settings. You will then see a Copy Link button. Click it to save the sharing URL to your clipboard, as this link is what we will convert into the QR code. Now, open a web browser and find a QR code generator. Many free tools are available online, and they generally function the same way. In the generator, paste the link you just copied by right-clicking or using a shortcut. After pasting, click the Create button. The tool will quickly transform your link into a visual code. Finally, click the Download button to save the QR code to your computer. You are now ready to print or share it. That is how you successfully use Office 365 and OneDrive to create a QR code, making your information easily accessible to everyone.